first half of the mission is over. The easy half. Now to get home. The flak stops. That means fighters out there somewhere. A staffer lurking behind that cloud, or hiding up in the sun where the glare blinds you, and you can't see them, waiting to dive down on you. Fighters at 6 o'clock. This is what a gunner sees. A speck in the sky. That's a fighter. And then a blink. That means he's firing at you. 2,300 rounds a minute. In a running battle, one of the most important instruments is the interphone.
There's 4 of them. 1 o'clock high.
They're coming around. Watch it.
Two fighters, 6 o'clock up, coming in. Diving out, Chief.
B-17 in trouble out at 2 o'clock, watching.
Got an engine on fire.
There's 2 more diving through the 94th.
3 planes, 9 o'clock, coming around. Keep your eye on them, boy.
Coming around at 10.
Watch them, so keep your eyes open.
Yeah.
They're breaking at 11, breaking at 11.
I got them.
Coming around underneath at 10 o'clock.
I see 'em.
2 at 2 o'clock. Watch them, Scotty.
I got my sights on them.
Check that B-17, Chuck. 3 o'clock. Motor smoking. Fighters 10:30 coming around.
Those 10:30 upper or lower? B-17 out of control at 3 o'clock.
Come on, you guys. Get out of that plane. Bail out. There's one. He come out of the bomb bay.
Yeah, I see him.
There's a tail gunner coming out.
Watch out for fighters. Keep your eye on them, Bill.
See any parachutes, Quinlan?
2 parachutes. So black at 9 o'clock.
8 men still in that B-17. Come on, the rest of you guys. Get out of there.
Come on, Bill.
So far, there's 3 more shoots. Flag, 11 o'clock.
Fighters, 6
Heavy
o'clock.
109 at 3 o'clock. Keep after him, would you?
I see him. I'm on him. Come on, you son of a bitch. I got him.
Confirm that fighter.
He got him, Chief. Look, he's bailing out.
Damn it, don't yell on that intercom.
Fighters, 10 o'clock.
Watch those 2 at 12, Ben. They're coming in.
They're coming in, Scotty.
Get that ball turret on him.
Save the ammunition as much as possible.
Watch that fighter coming in at 3 o'clock.
He's coming in a half roll. Pull her up, Chief. Pull her up. Hurry. This fortress is hurt. Engine on fire, losing airspeed and altitude. Drifting into the flak, alone and helpless. A straggler. In a minute, Nazi fighters will swarm in like buzzards for the kill. You can watch, but you can't go down to help.